Well, we're out here by ourselves. It's really quiet out here. It's a Monday morning at Mittery Lake. And we're gonna run with the buzzbait. We're gonna try that. Got a little trailer on it right there. It's one of those Guggenbait buzz baits that I've never thrown before. It's been in my tackle box for a very long time, so we're gonna try it out. See if they're hitting any top water, but yeah, it's peaceful out here. Let's see if we can't get it done. I was gonna go up to Hidden Shores area, but I figured why not? Let's get some Lake Mittery in. It's peaceful. But hey, if you have not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. All the links in the description below go towards supporting this channel. If you want to go out on a guided trip, I offer fishing trips and hunting trips. You can check that out at Harvest Outfitters or harvestlandoutfitters.com. It'll be in the description below. All those guiding services go towards supporting this channel. You can also donate on that website as well. So yeah, we had a few Marines that I was trying to get out here this morning, but they ended up being busy. Of course, it's Monday, so they got to go to work. But yeah, we'll see what we can get done here. Also, if you want to see where I'm catching these fish, you can go to patreon.com and the link below, patreon.com/harvestlandtv. That's going to show you exactly where we're catching these fish. I do fishing reports monthly, and so you can check that out. And I'm going to be doing a whole report on Mittery Lake of exactly where I'm catching the fish at and how. That's what I got this little angler button here for, right there. So every time I catch a fish, I can just click it. It's pretty cool. Oh my god! Oh my god! It just ripped it right out of the freaking... Oh my gosh, it broke me clean off. Are you freaking kidding me? Oh my god. Okay. It ripped it right out of my freaking hand. I literally only cast like 3 times and I already got broke off. I can't believe that just happened. God, you're kidding me. No way. No way. No way. Oh, dang it. Dang it. I had him on. Bro. You gotta be kidding me, dude. Oh, I had him on. It broke. It snapped the line. And then freaking, I saw it floating in the water. So I grabbed it. And I started wrapping it around my hand, which probably wasn't the best idea, but then I had him. I was controlling him with the right. And I freaking got slack in the line and he popped off. Dang. That was a nice like 2.5er right there. I can't believe my line just snapped like that though. It didn't snap at the knot on the hook. It snapped at my leader, which is odd. So I'm gonna retie. Nice. Got him barely hooked. Nice fish. Nice. That's 15 minutes on the water. Already got a pretty decent fish. Barely had him hooked. He has some kind of leech on him. I got that leech off of him, so that's good. Quality bass right there, Mittery Lake. Buzzbait. Now that's fish number 3 to hit it. Right there. Pretty nice one. Well, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. That's a nice little 1.5 pounder hitting that buzzbait. Pretty nuts. Oop, upside down, and off he goes. Not a bad morning so far for Mittery. We got 2 fish in the boat, broke off on 1. It's a good morning. Just a little dude. I thought it was bigger than that, but whatever. I'll take it. That's fish number 3 in the boat. Missed 5, or I missed 2, so. I was throwing up next to the reeds, jiggling the worm, and that's it. So we went probably about a little over an hour without a bite, but that's how it goes. Yeah, that's a nice one. Ooh. About the same size. Thought he was bigger than that. Another one on the drop shot right there. I actually see my worm. I'm gonna go back and get it. But there we go. That's what I'm talking about. I like catching fish. That's what it's about. How's that working out for you? Good. Oh, I think I got one. Yep, I got one. Oh, I got a nice one. Get the net. Head first, head first, head first. Oh gosh. Nice, dude. Look at that on video too. That's a nice bass, dude. Look at that Mittery bass. Super windy. Getting it done. All right, that's a 3.5 pounder at Mittery on one of the windiest days you've ever known to be. This thing is freaking nice fish for Mittery Lake, man. 3.5 pounder. So if you want to see where we're caught this sucker at, go to patreon.com/HarvestlandTV in the link below. It's gonna be there. We're gonna show you, give you fishing reports on where we're catching these bass at and all that good stuff. So, or they're just feeding. Logan was back there. He's flipping into the reeds, and so I was close enough to the bank line to where he could flip in, and then I'm just casting parallel with the shoreline there, and that 3-pounder just smoked it. So it's super windy here today, 20-mile-an-hour winds. We've been getting blown out big time, and so yeah, but hey, fish are still biting. That was 2.5 hours without a bite. 2.5 hours of fishing, we finally got into one. Oh, there we go. Okay, that makes 2 right there. All right, there we go. That's the second fish. He was closer to the bank that time, so. All right,
welcome to the channel. Yeah, I already screwed it up. I didn't even think about what I was saying. All right, I'm out here with Joey from Longtails, AZ Longtails.
AZ Longtails.
Check them out on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook.
Not on Facebook.
Not on Facebook.
But on Instagram and YouTube, we're on there.
We went out and did some fishing. We're all sweaty at Lake Mittery. We caught a couple, so it wasn't terrible. At least we caught fish. But yeah, it was fun having you out here, man. I appreciate it. You're a EMS and firefighter?
So yeah, so I'm a firefighter paramedic down in San Luis.
Yeah, so we like supporting those guys. That's awesome. If you have not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell if you want to see where we were catching these fish, how we were catching them. Patreon is in the link below. You can go there, subscribe to that, and you'll see where we're catching these fish and what they're hitting on. So thanks for watching and be blessed. About screwed it up again. I'm tired, dude.
Oh, where?
The sucker's hitting. That's what I'm talking about. Ugh. Striper, dude. Or no, that's a bass. Yeah, dude. That's why I thought it was a striper, man.
Yeah, I thought so too.
Look at him, dude. He's freaking albino, dude.
Super bill. I thought it was a striper too.
He was so white. Yeah, it had. I thought it was a striper, man. I was like, dude, what the crap? Ugh.
Got one? Nice. Hell yeah. Little guy, but...
Got him on that drop shot. All right. Just a little guy. Got him on a drop shot.
First one of the day.
First one of the day. It's been rough. Didn't get skunked. Mittery Lake.
There you go.
Nice fish.
It is. Nice. Well, there's two.
Oh, he swallowed that.
Oh, dude.
Yeah. Here we go. Put one on the drop shot. Austin? I'm gonna get you one.
I know. I'm trying. I'm pitching this.
I think finesse is the answer here. You should be able to get hit with that though. That's pretty finesse too.
Yeah.
There we go.
Maybe I need to try a worm or something.
Yeah.
Are you using a little shad looking thing?
Yep. He swallowed that again. Dang. See, I casted right up into that shadow part right up in there. That's
Yeah.
where he's at. They're in these shadow-like areas. Just a dink, but that's what, 4 or 3?
3.
3. That'll be a little guy. Ooh, something hit my line. That was a big old fish right there. Ooh, something got it?
Yep, I see it.
Dude, he's a big one.
Yep.
Get the net. Oh, dude, get the net. Get the net. Oh, it's a big fish. Oh, no.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, dude. Oh. Yeah! Oh, boy! Oh,
Woo! Oh my gosh.
It's a nice fish.
Dude.
What do you think, 4 something?
Oh yeah, he's a good fish. He's probably 3.5, 4.
Yeah.
That's a nice bass right there. Got that drop shot still in there. Choked it. What? Dang. Look at that fish. That's a nice Mittery fish right there. 6 ounces. Full crap. 3/8.
Nice, almost 4.
Yep. Right in that 3.5 mark.
Nice fish. That's a good one.
Dude.
Some good footage. Good.
You. All right, you want to see where we're catching these fish, how we're doing it exactly, fishing report and everything? Just go to patreon.com/harvestlandtv in the link below. Go check that out. We got one of our patrons right here. This is Austin.
Austin.
He's going back to Texas, not Austin, Texas, but
Nope.
he's going back to
North
Texas.
Texas.
We're gonna be fishing a lot with him lately. We're gonna go to the river, I think, tomorrow and see what we can get. But that was our first good bass of the whole day.
First good bass after 6 hours of fishing. We'll take it.
Yeah, it's noon. It's 12 o'clock, and we've only caught 3 fish. That's the 4th one right there. So it's been a little bit rough, but that one came on the drop shot, 8-pound line. You believe that? 8-pound line.
We'll take it. All day long. Let's do
It
again.
choked it. All right, let's get to work. So when I cast it in over, it wasn't over here, but it was kind of like this setup. He wasn't really, yeah, it wasn't like in an opening, but it was kind of like, he wasn't deep in there at all. It was like, he was like right over here.
Okay.
So, wasn't deep at all in those reeds. He was patrolling, hunting.
Yeah. I lost the weight.
Really?
Yeah. There you go. What is that, 5 for you?
Yeah.
A little big. Yeah, I lost the weight on that thing.
Cool. Good little guy.